Yes, children, open page number 35 of your math course book. Write date and classwork there, and we'll start word problems now. Yes, so you all can see this. Word problems are there in your book also. Okay. So now I'll be reading these word problems. Okay, you all have to read along with me. Try to understand what is there in these word problems. Okay. And you have to write statements also. Fine. Yes. So children, your first word problem is Rahul has 21 balloons. Rahul has 21 balloons and Rohan has 26 balloons. Okay. How many balloons do they have in all? Yes, children, again I am reading this. Rahul has 21 balloons and Rohan has 26 balloons. How many balloons do they have in all? See here, children, Siddharth, listen very carefully. In all word is there, you all can see there, in all word is there. And whenever this in all word is there, what you have to do? Yes, Siddharth. Yeah, you were raising your hand, tell me.
Answer.
No, you were raising your hand, I am asking you what happened.
Nothing.
Okay. Yes, so now listen, this is how many balloons do they have in all? I have told you this thing earlier also, children. Again, I'm repeating. Whenever this in all word is there, this means you have to do addition. You have to do addition. Okay. So what we will do here, we will write the statements first and then we will do the addition here. Okay. So children, start writing the statement in your book. So what you will write first? You will write Rahul has balloons, or you can write in other way also, number of balloons Rahul has. Okay, so we'll write here Rahul has, start writing children. Rahul has balloons equal to how many balloons? Rahul has 21 balloons. So we will write here 21. Okay. The next, who's that other boy? Rohan. So we will write here. Next we will write Rohan has balloons equal to how many balloons? 26 balloons. Rohan has 26 balloons. Yes, Ashita? Ashita, you were raising your hand.
Ma'am, I did not raise my hand, ma'am.
Ashita, just now you raised your hand. Yes? Oh, okay. You are using raise hand option, Ashita, and you don't know. Yes, children, this is page number 35 of your math course book, addition word problems, okay? So Rahul has balloons equal to 21. Rohan has balloons equal to 26. Fine. So now next what we have to do, children. See, you all can see here, these are 2-digit numbers. These are 2-digit numbers. So we will arrange these numbers in ones, tens and hundreds column. We will arrange these numbers in ones, tens and hundreds column. Okay. So we will, sorry, these are 2-digit numbers, so we will arrange them in ones and tens form only. If there is a 3-digit number, then we will arrange that number in ones, tens and hundreds form. Okay. But this is a 2-digit number, so we will arrange this in ones and tens only. Ones and tens only. Okay. Yes, Ayansh. Ayansh, you were raising your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ayansh. Ayansh, you were raising your hand. Tell me.
Ma'am, total answer is 47, ma'am.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, Ayansh. That's the correct answer. I thought you have some doubt. Okay, that's the correct answer. So, children, what we will do, we will arrange these two numbers in ones, tens, and hundreds form. Sorry, ones and tens only. So, this T stands for tens and O stands for ones. Okay. So, what is your first number, children? Your first number is 2121. Your first number is 2121. So, we will write this 2 in tens place and this 1 in ones place. Right? Now, what we have to do? We have to put plus sign in the next line. So, we will put here plus sign because we are doing addition. And your next number is 2626. So, again, we will arrange that number also in ones, tens, and hundreds form. Okay. So now, children, sufficient space is not there. I am trying to write down. Yes, Veda.
Ma'am, I want to say answer.
Tell me what is the answer, Veda.
I want to say one question. I want to.
Veda, tell me answer for this question. What is the number in one place? First number in one.
47.
Huh?
4, 10, 7 ones.
That's correct. Okay, Veda. And children, I will ask you one by one. Okay, you will not tell me that, ma'am, I want to answer because every child should get chance. So children, see here number in ones place are 1 and 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7. I am writing here 7, children. Okay. And the number in tens place are 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So answer is 4, 7, 40. 7, children. 4, 7, 40. 7. Answer is 4, 7, 47. Children, I don't have sufficient space, so I'm writing here. Next statement I'm writing here. Okay, you all can also write, you people can also write here where I am writing now. So your last statement should be, they have, children, I am writing here the last statement or the last line because I don't have sufficient space. If you don't have sufficient space, you can also write here where I am writing. They have 47 balloons in all. Okay. What you will write? You will write they have 47 balloons in all. All spelling is A-double-L. All. They have 47 balloons in all. And whenever this in all word is there, you have to do addition. Remember this thing, children. You have to do addition. Start writing this and please write correct spelling, children. You should write correct spelling. Write fast. Yes, children, please write fast. Okay, so I hope now you all have completed. Yes, Ansil.
Which page, ma'am?
Page number 35. Page number 3535. Yes, children. So now we will move to next word problem. Okay, I'll read this next question now. Question is, there were 13 children playing in the park. You all can see this picture in your book. There is one park, and in that park 13 children were playing. How many children? 13 children were playing in the park. 34 more children came to the park to play. So 34 more children came in the park. Okay, now they are asking you how many children were there in the park in all. Again, you all can see here, last word is in all. Last word is in all. This means again you have to add these two numbers. You have to add these two numbers. Okay. So now what we will do, we will start writing this statement again. Statements we all get from this question only. So you will write here number of children. Start writing number of children yes, start writing number of children in the park equal to how many? 1 3 13. 1 3 13. Okay, so this is number of children in the park equal to 1 3 13. Next, number of children came number of children in the park equal to 13. Please write correct spelling. Okay, so next we will write number of children came yes, next you will write number of children came equal to how many children came? 34. 34. So we will write here 34. Okay. Yes. So now what we have to do is we have to arrange these two numbers in ones and tens form. In ones and tens form. Right. So we will write this T for tens and O for ones. Okay. So now your first number is 1 3 13. Your first number is 1 3 13 children. So we will write here 1 in tens place and we will write 3 in ones place. Okay, and then you will write your next number. Your next number is 3 4 34. So 3 we will write in tens place and 4 we will write in ones place. Okay. So now what you have to do? you have to put plus sign. You have to put plus sign. So we will put plus sign beside this 3 in tens place. Beside this 3 in tens place, children, and we will draw here 2 lines. We will draw here 2 lines. Okay. So now we have to add the number in ones place, and in ones place numbers are 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Ansel, you tell me 3 plus 4 how much?
3 plus 4 enta 34.
54.
No, 3 plus 4 how much?
7.
7.
Yeah, that's correct. So children, 3 plus 4 is 7. So we will write 7 in ones place. We will write 7 in ones place. Okay, so now we have to add the number in tens place. So what are the numbers in tens place? 1 and 3. T Suryansh, you tell me 1 plus 3 how much? 1 plus 3?
Internet se
1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Suryansh, I'm asking 1 plus 3 how much?
నిన్నేనా సూర్య అడిగేదంట 3 plus 1 ఎంత 3 plus 1 ఎంత చెప్పు టీచర్ కి
4.
Yeah, that's the correct answer, Suryansh. So 1 plus 3 is 4, children. So we will write 4 in tens place. So answer is 4, 7, 40. 7 answer is 4, 7, 47. Now we have to write the last statement also. I don't have sufficient space, so I'm writing here. You all can also write here if you don't have space. So what we will write? We will write here. There were 47. There were 47 children in the park. Yes, write correct spelling. Okay, please everyone write correct spelling. There were 47 children in the park. In all. So this is there were 47 children in the park in all. In all. Okay, and write the statement in your book, children, fast. And again, I'm repeating, whenever this in all word is there, you have to do addition. You have to add the given numbers. Okay. Yes, children, please note down fast. Write down fast this in your notebook. Yes, children, please write this fast in your notebook. Yes. I hope you all have completed till here, so I'll erase this now. Children, I'm clearing this now. Yes, so now last word problem is left. We'll finish that. Okay. So this is, there were 15 fish in a tank. Okay, there were 15 fish in a tank. Rahul put 20 more fish, 22 more fish in the tank. Okay, so there was one tank and in the tank there were 15 fish. And then Rahul put 22 more fish in that same tank. Now they are asking you what is the total number of fish in the tank. See children, they have asked you total. What is the total number of fish in the tank? So now this, if total word is there, then what you have to do? Whenever this total, in all, together, all together words are there, this means you all have to do addition. You have to do addition. So now this total word is there. This means we have to do addition, children. Okay, we have to do addition. Fine. So we have to add these two numbers 15 and 22 together. So we'll start writing this first statement now. You also start writing. This is number of fish, number of fish in the tank. Number of fish in the tank equal to how many? 1, 5, 15. Number of fish in the tank equal to 15. Then number of fish, and please write the statements which I am writing. Number of fish Rahul put equal to how many? 22. 22. So this is number of fish in the tank equal to 15 and number of fish Rahul put equal to 22 children. So now again what we will do? We will arrange these two numbers in ones and tens form. In ones and tens form. Because it is a 2-digit number. So your first number is 15. So this 1 will come in tens place. And 5 will come in ones place. Right? Now we will write the next number with plus sign. So next number is 20. So next number is 22. So we will write that number 22. 2 will come in tens place and another 2 will come in ones place. Okay. So now we have to start addition. We have to add 15 and 22 together. Yes. So now we will add these numbers in ones place. So now in ones place, numbers are 5 and 2. Numbers are 5 and 2. Ashwat Chakravarti, you tell me 5 plus 2 how much?
7.
Yes, that's correct. Children, 5 plus 2 is 7. So we will write 7 in ones place. We will write here 7 in ones place. COVID 1 plus 2 how much?
1 plus 2 equals to 3.
Very good. Very good, COVID. So children, 1 plus 2 is 3. So we will write 3 in tens place. We will write 3 in tens place. Okay. So 15 plus 22 equal to 37. Equal to 37. Fine. Now we have to write the last statement. Again, I don't have space, so I'm writing here. And you all can also write here, where I am writing if you don't have space. Otherwise, you can write below this 37 also. Okay. So we will write here. We will get the statement from the question only. You all can see here this. We will write from this question only total number of fish in the tank. We will write the same. You will write this as it is here. So you can write here total number of fish in the tank equal to 3737. So total number of fish in the tank equal to 37. Write this fast in your notebook, children. You just have to find the keywords in the word problem. If total word is there, you have to do addition. If left word is there, you have to do subtraction. You have to find these words. And then you have to try to understand the word problem. Yes, children, please write fast. Please write fast. Okay, so those who have completed, they can open page number 7 to 72 of their math textbook. I did it mathematics. Those who have completed, open page number 7 to 72 of your math textbook. I did it mathematics. Yes, Advit. Advit Kucha, you are raising your hand. Yes, Ansel.
Ma'am, which page?
Page number 72. 7 to 72.
Ma'am, which page number?
Page number 72 of your math textbook, that is I did it mathematics. That big book. 72. Word problems are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, open page number 72 and write date and classwork on that page. Page number 7 to 72. And I'm clearing all this now. Yes, you have to open page number 7 to 72 of your math textbook, children. Write date and classwork there. Okay, so I will read this story problems for you. Okay. And what we have to do then, we have to do, you all can see a plus symbol is there. I hope you all can see this plus symbol is there. This means we have to do addition. Okay, so I'll start reading the first word problem now. Your first one is, there were 15 fish in an aquarium. Aquarium you all know? Yes. In our school also we have one aquarium. So there were 15 fish in an aquarium. 2 more fish were put in the aquarium. How many fish are there in the aquarium now? Okay, so there was one aquarium, and in that aquarium there were 15 fish. and 2 more fish were added in that aquarium. Okay, and now they are asking you how many fish are there in that aquarium. So this means they have added something. This means we will do addition. So now we have to add this 15 and 2 together. 15 plus 2, we have to tell how much. Okay. So Swarnika, 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 are you there? Not there. Sudhamsh, 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 are you there? Okay. Ayan, Ayan Kuluru. Yes. Sai Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sai Ritvik, now tell me what are the number in ones place?
5,
5 and
2,
2. So now tell me 5 plus 2 how much?
7,
Very good. So children, 5 plus 2 is 7. We will write 7 in ones place. And what is the number in tens place?
10 plus 1,
Yeah. So we will write this one as it is because there is no other number. So answer is 1 7.
17.
Very good. Very good side effect. So answer is 1 7 17 children. So we will write 17. And we will write the 17 here in this blank space also. So answer is 1 7 17. 1 7 17. So there are 17 fish in the aquarium now. Okay, this is the answer. So now we'll move to next question. Question number 2. Ramya collected 25 seashells. Okay, Ramya collected 25 seashells. Her mother gave her 4 more. So there was one girl, Ramya, and she collected 25 seashells. And her mother gave her 4 more. This means her mother has added something. Now they are asking how many seashells are there with Ramya now. So her mother gave her 4 more shells. This means we have to do addition. Her mother has added something. So this means we have to add this 25 and 4 together. So now we will see what are the number in ones place and tens place here. Brinda, what are the number in ones place here? Brinda, in ones place, numbers.
5
Yes, Brinda.
plus 4.
Yeah, so now tell me 5 plus 4 how much?
9. 9.
Yes. So 5 plus 4 is 9 children. So we will write 9 in ones place. And what is the number in tens place? Yes.
2, ma'am.
Yeah. See children, there is only one number in tens place, that is 2. So we will write that 2 as it is. Okay. So answer is 2 9 29. So we will write that answer in this space also.
2, 9.
29. So this means 25 plus 4 equal to 29. 25 plus 4 equal to 29. Okay. Okay, fine. So now next one. Next question is, Akash sold 32 kites in the morning. He sold 6 more kites in the evening. How many kites did he sell in all? Children say here in all word is there. So there was one boy Akash and he sold 32 kites. You all know what kites are? Yes, so he sold 32 kites and beside those 32 kites, he sold 6 more kites in the evening. So in morning he sold 32 kites and in evening he sold 6 more kites. Now they are asking how many kites did he sell in all. So in all word is there. This means we have to do addition. We have to do addition, children. So now, Bhanu, you tell me what are the number in ones place? Bhanu?
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me what are the number in ones place? Tell me.
to keep it in your mind, take 6 fingers.
Yeah. So 2 plus 6, how much?
So after
Start counting after 2.
6, after 7, 8, 9.
Huh?
అప్పుడు చేస్తున్నాం మైండ్ ఎన్ని పెట్టుకున్నావు నువ్వు ఎన్ని కౌంట్ చేస్తున్నావు
2
మైండ్
plus
ఎన్ని
6, how
పెట్టుకున్నావు
much?
బెటర్ ఒక బెటర్ చెంప కాదు మీది
Bhanu, start counting after 2 and take out your 6 fingers.
ఇంకా భయం ఉంటే తప్పెందుకు అవుతుంది నీకు మరి భయం బాగున్నదా మరి తప్పెందుకు చేస్తున్నావు
Hanvit, you tell me 2 plus 6, how much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Coming, ma'am.
Hanvit, 2 plus 6?
8.
Yeah, very good. So 2 plus 6 is 8, children. So we will write 8 here in ones place, and there is no other number in tens place.